May I help you, ma'am?
Unleaded, please.
Unleaded. All right. Hey, is that WJB on the radio?
I have no idea.
Yeah, that's what it is, all right. That's the 60 station. Hell, I listen to that one all day. You know what they say about the 60s, don't you? If you can remember them, you wasn't there. Hey, you want me to check under the hood, ma'am?
No, it's rented.
You come to Detroit and you rent a Beamer. That's like going to Germany and eating Jimmy Dean sausages. You know, in Tennessee, where I was born and raised, I never did see cars like this. I was 22 years old before I even know the foreigners made cars.
Are you from Tennessee?
Yes, ma'am, I'm a Southern boy.
What's your name?
Billy Ray, named after both the scoundrels my mama thought might have been my daddy. Is that cash or card, ma'am? Ma'am?
Rick?
Beg your pardon?
Will MasterCard do?
Be just fine.
You know, you remind me of someone a lot.
I do?
Yeah, a boy, a man, named Rick Jarman, whose plane went down in the mountains in Mexico 15 years ago.
I never went to Mexico, you know, ma'am, but I always
He
wanted
laughed
to.
like you.
Well, I didn't mean to.
He looked like you.
I don't know what to tell you, ma'am. Here, you want to sign that? Well, you have a nice day, then.
Billy Ray,
Ma'am?
do you have a tattoo?
A tattoo? No.
Your upper right arm, dove?
No, I don't have a tattoo.
I'm not leaving till you show me.
Hope nobody's looking. There, satisfied?
Right arm.
I got some shrapnel there. I took that in Vietnam. It's all down my right side. You want to see it?
I'm sorry. My friend would have never been in that war.
Meaning what?
He was very much against killing.
I'd like to help you, sir.